We are looking at some rain for New Year's Day.
Yeah, let's take a look outside, Latrice. Rain New Year's Day. New Year's Eve actually is looking pretty favorable, especially at midnight as we're ringing in the new year. Now, it's just going to be warm and cloudy today. I say warm, warmer than normal. You still might need a light sweatshirt for the next couple of hours if you're going out, but much warmer than it should be for this time of the year. A few showers on Thursday, but again, by New Year's Eve night as we're heading into 2021, we're going to be probably okay for the most part. Then New Year's Day, it is going to be rainy. So let's take a look at it right now. 53 degrees in Chattanooga, 56 in Cleveland. Winds are out of the south at 9 miles per hour, 52 in Murphy. And take a look off to our west. Huge storm system on the backside starting to change over into snowfall as colder air spills in behind this system. That snow is extending from Texas up into parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri. We'll also have some areas of ice tonight and tomorrow that form in those areas. So that's going to be an absolute mess for them. This is the system that's going to move into our area on New Year's Day, but it will moderate quite a bit between now and then. Here's our Vipercast imagery showing pretty much just cloud cover today, fairly mild weather as we move through the afternoon. And then as we move on into Thursday, notice you'll see a few very light sprinkles moving northward, maybe a couple of showers here and there on Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon, but you're just not going to see much. Now, this is 5 o'clock, and our latest model data showing maybe a little decent rainfall lifting up into Chattanooga right around 5, 6 o'clock, but mainly what you're going to see is just broken areas of light showers here and there. So as you're welcoming in the new year, this is midnight. Notice that warm front lifting northward. Behind that, it's going to be so warm at midnight. It'll be in the mid-50s as we ring in the new year. And while it is going to be cloudy, the raindrops will be few and far between. I can't rule out completely a couple of drops of rain here and there, but you're not going to get much midnight and even through the overnight. You're not going to see much into Friday morning. Now, this is 7 a.m. Friday morning. After 7 o'clock, it looks like we'll start to see some of that heavy rain moving through the morning hours and even into the early afternoon. Mainly what you're going to see is periods of heavy rain, a half an inch to an inch of rain as we head through the day on Friday. But by 2 o'clock, most of the heavy stuff will be off to the east, Ellijay, Blue Ridge, Murphy, and then we'll continue moving through the day. At 5 o'clock, the heaviest rain exiting the area, and we'll be left with maybe a few spotty little showers here and there heading into Friday evening. But as we continue to press into Friday evening, you're going to notice even that fading away, and that's going to set the stage for really nice weather over the weekend. Your Saturday looking awesome. Rainfall amounts on New Year's Eve. Now, this is all day Thursday, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain if you even get that. But as we add in rain from Friday, we'll bump that up to about a half an inch to an inch of rain through the day Friday, most of that Friday morning and early afternoon. So some overcast skies today, mild, a little breezy at times. We've seen it blowing out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Upper 50s, right around 60, a little bit cooler heading up into the mountains. And then tonight, cloudy skies with continued warming. We're going to have a low of 50 degrees, upper 40s outside of the city, low 40s in the Blue Ridge. And there you go. I'll put the rain chance at 30%, and even that 30% primarily is going to be for the afternoon hours of Thursday. Then late Thursday night, we'll probably drop that down to 10 to 20%, and then we'll ramp it back up, 80% chance of some heavy rain Friday morning into the afternoon. As we move through the evening hours, we'll see any rain tapering off, and while it's still going to be pretty mild on Saturday, at least it's going to be cooler. Our highs and our lows will continue cooling down on Sunday, 41 in the morning, 51 in the afternoon, and a picture perfect Monday and Tuesday. Nice and chilly as it should be heading into January in the morning, and then it'll be in the mid-50s, Latrice, on Monday and Tuesday afternoon. So a little bit of rain to get through. We're going to have a pretty nice looking weekend as we ramp up 2021.